Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix your folder thumbnail is not showing, not viewing on your Windows 11 File Explorer. So if you are also facing the same problem issue, so this video is for you. Please watch this video till end very carefully. Okay, so let's get started. So when you're facing this type of problem, first you need to check the folder view category. Okay, so just click on view. You need to select large, medium or extra large. From here I have already selected large icon. Okay, still the folder thumbnail is not showing. So now you can try the next method. Click on three dots in the File Explorer toolbar menu and go to options. In the option, go to view tab, and here you can get the option always show icon never thumbnail. Just you need to unselect this option from here. Click on apply and click on OK. That's it. Now let's see it will fix your problem or not. So as you can see guys, our folder thumbnail was not showing. You can see guys in my screen. Now my problem was not solved. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to restart your Windows Explorer. To restart it, right click anywhere on the empty space in your taskbar, open the task manager from here. Okay, and here you can find out Windows Explorer. So just press W from your keyboard, right click on your Windows Explorer, and here you can get the option restart. Just click on restart. That's it. Okay, now it will restart the Windows Explorer. So it will take some time. After the restarting process was completed, close your task manager, close your this PC, restart your computer one time. Now go to File Explorer. Now it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So that's it for today guys. It's a short simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.